work together. There's also another element in the Platoon Pro system that is the push to talk, which is vehicle-to-vehicle communication. It's another added pedal on the floor so the driver doesn't have to take his hands off the steering wheel. He presses the pedal with his foot. He can speak directly to the person that he's platooning with. They can make decisions as far as lane changes or exiting the freeway. And also, here's another thing that it's a misconception. This only takes place on predetermined freeways and interstates. Okay. These interstates have to be where there's only off-ramps, on-ramps. There's no side streets, no stoplights, things like that. So, okay. For the most part, it's the interstate. It's Interstate 5. It's Interstate 10 in Texas.
Right.